Right, so we're looking at finding equations of lines given the graph. Okay, now again we're looking at y equals mx plus c. I bang on about this all the time. So all equations of lines are essentially in this form. Okay, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So we can immediately write y equals something x plus something. Same with this one over here. Y equals something x plus something. Okay, now the easiest part really is working out the y-intercept. Now this is the y-intercept, y-int, okay, and where does the line cross the y-axis? Well, here it is, it's at 2, so plus 2. Where does it cross here? Well, it's at minus 3. So there you go. Pretty straightforward first of all. Now this is where the next part here, this m is the gradient. Now the gradient, which I can't spell obviously, there we go, gradient is the rise over the run. Okay, so rise over run. So all you've got to do is pick 2 points on the line. I suggest you pick the one you've just found or used and you pick another one. Now I'm going to pick this one here. Okay, and you literally count how many squares. Now look at the scale carefully. I've gone up from 2 up to 8. So 2 up to 8, that's up 6, and I've gone along 2. Right, check the scale out. So rise over the run, 6 divided by 2, 3. There you go, y equals 3x plus 2. Same thing I do here. Okay, and this is quite a narrow one, so we're going to go there. Again, rise over the run. I'm going to go down there. Now that's gone from, and that's not very accurately drawn by me, there you go, it's gone from minus 3 to minus 8, so that's, is it minus 3 to minus 8? Hold on, minus 3 to minus 8 it is. That's minus 5, and I've gone along, really badly drawn, there you go, and I've gone along 10. So the rise over the run, because it's the rise, has gone down, hasn't it, minus 5 over 10 minus a half. Okay, so it really is that easy. It's can you count almost. He said, well, not wanting to sound patronising, but slightly sounding patronising. But honestly, just check the scale very carefully. Again, this is 10 because if you look at the scale here, it goes in ones. But this was 2 here. This was 2 here because that goes one along is actually 2 squares. So just be careful there, but otherwise it is literally counting, people.